The trophy wouldn't fit in the suitcase because it was too large. One word holds the whole meaning. It. Does it point to the trophy or the suitcase? The trophy. Too large to fit. You knew that at once. Now change one word, large to small, and it flips. Now it means the suitcase. Same words, same grammar. Only the meaning tells them apart. So how could a machine ever know? The old way read left to right, passing meaning down the line, word by word. Distant words barely reached each other. Attention throws the line away. It lets every word look at every other word directly. But if nothing is read in order, how is the order kept? Every word arrives carrying a pattern for its position. Position keeps the sequence. Attention handles the connections. Watch just one. The word it sends out a question. Which words might I be about? Every other word answers, describing what it holds. Compare the question to each answer. A few line up, most don't. Trophy fits. Those matches become weights, softened, so they add up to one. A soft vote, mostly for the trophy. Each word also holds a meaning to give, its value, and the word it draws those values in proportion to the vote. So the meaning it now carries has the trophy inside it, filled in, just by looking. Now let every word do that at the same time. 12 words, each asking, each answering. Every question meets every answer, and the sentence becomes a single grid. However far apart two words fall, they are now one step apart. And here is what that grid really is. 12 queries, each 64 numbers wide, laid against 64 numbers by 12 keys. 12 by 12, every word against every word. The scores are divided by the square root of 64, which is 8, just to keep them steady. Softmax takes each row and turns it into weights that add up to 1. Then those weights multiply the values, and the context flows back into every word. That is the entire mechanism in one line. Attention is softmax of qk transposed over the square root of dk times v. 3 lines of code, everything you have just watched running in parallel. Now run it 8 times over, side by side. The same operation, the same sentence, but each head looks through its own learned projection, so each one finds a different pattern. 8 heads, each returning 64 numbers. Set them side by side, and you have 512. One richer description of every word. Wrap that in a small feed-forward stage, and you have one layer of a transformer. Stack 6 of them. Each layer reads what the last one produced, so the picture deepens with every pass. That is the whole idea. No recurrence, no convolution. Attention turned the sentence from a line into a web. The entire mechanism fits in a single equation, though where Q, K, and V come from is a story for another day. In 2017, 8 researchers at Google gave it a title that sounded like a boast. It became the foundation of modern language models. Attention is all you need.